Focusrite here. Today I'm going to be showing you what's in my room. This is going to be a quick tour setup and to show you what products I have. Everything will be linked down in the description so you can check it out. And I'm living in a tiny room because I'm going to college. I'm a student at a university. So a lot of this stuff is in here, what I record. And just to give you guys some ideas of maybe you're trying to start a YouTube channel, or maybe you're trying to do some editing or something of that sort, professional work. And this is all the stuff that is in here. So let's get started. Right now I'm recording on a Sony a6300. It's also mounted with a 16 to 70 millimeter lens. It's great. I've been using it for a long time. The main lens, that's my main lens. I don't really have any other lens because I do find this to be like the best option for recording things that are up close, or when I'm recording myself in front of the camera, it records everything wide as possible for me. And yeah, let's just get started from the beginning. So this is my room, just to give you a quick glimpse at what we're going to be looking at. It's not a lot, really. So we're going to start it off with my mic. This is the Sennheiser MKH416 shotgun mic. I switched from I used to use a Yeti, but I switched to this one because I needed some clarity, and I think this is the best option for that. Next, these are just things I'm going to be selling. That's an old monitor, 27-inch. Some old boxes that I have here from products that I received. Most of them are just phones. Over here, I do have my studio lights from Focusrite. It's really nice because I can use these knobs to control the lighting. They have 600 LEDs, so that's awesome. And I have two of them. And they're mounted with a softbox, so it can spread out the light evenly. So next is my standing desk. It's by a company called HowToMen. This is where I record most of my B-roll when I'm recording a phone. They actually sent me this desk, so shout out to them. It's called the Smart Desk 2 Business Office Edition. And it's extremely cheap at just 400 bucks. Usually it's $480, but since they're having a Christmas sale, it's $80 off, and the offer ends December 24th, right before Christmas. The tabletop is 53 by 29 inches, so it's really wide, but you can go even wider at like 70 inches. So if you have a bigger space, that would be perfect. I went with this one because, oops, I almost tripped over something. I went with this one because, I mean, my room isn't that big, so, you know. And it can lift up to 51 inches. So if I go here and I press the third one, this is where I manually preset it. So it would go to the highest option. You can see it starts to begin to rise. You can hear the motor in the background. That's extremely tall. You'll see once it hits the top. Right there, this is where I'm at. My hand is right, this is my hand level. I'm 6'1", and this almost reaches my neck. So this is extremely tall. It's taller than my other standing desk, which only goes up to 48 inches, I believe. I'm going to press the 1 to go back to seating level. And that's another thing about this. You can have presets to choose your level. Let me focus that there. And they have arrows so you can make the table move up and down. The tabletop is made out of wood, and the paint job makes it really nice. Nice and smooth and extremely shiny. If $400 is too much for you, they do have a cheaper option at just $329. It doesn't lift as high as the Business Office Edition, and the warranty is only 5 years instead of 7, but it is a lot cheaper. It is a great standing desk with a premium and sturdy look to it, and it's one of the cheapest standing desks that you can purchase right now. So on the desk itself, I have a Pixelbook Go. It's going to be reviewed next week, so stay tuned for that. It's by Google. And this is my main laptop. It's a Razer Blade 15-inch 2018 edition with a GTX 1060 inside. This is my LED circle lamp. I bought it off, I don't know where I bought it off. I'm pretty sure it's Amazon, obviously. It has 3 presets: off, the highest setting, and then you can lower it down to, I like this level because it looks nice. This is my display output for my camera. It's not 4K, by the way, but it's nice to have. It's 1080p resolution. This is my tripod. This is the 190 Go by Manfrotto, the legs. and it's mounted on top with a Manfrotto 502 video head. Up top, we got some display metal posters. There's 5 of them. They keep on falling off. Unfortunately, the magnet isn't that strong, so I did have to screw them in. That's unfortunate. They look nice. Just wish the magnet was a little stronger, but they are expensive as well. Each one I think is like 50 bucks, so I don't know if that's correct, but it's pricey, just so you know. All right, so going onto the left side of my room, this is my Ghost Tech messenger bag. It has a battery pack inside, but they don't sell this anymore, so you can't really buy it. So I'm not gonna talk about that too much. Over here, this is my LED clock. I've been using it for a really long time, and it runs off batteries, and I haven't even needed to change the batteries yet, and it's been years, which is really impressive. I have Amazon Echo on deck. I have the Mega Boom 3. This is a really powerful speaker if you want to go out. Has really nice bass. You can take it to the beach, dump it in water. It works. Then I have Google Nest Cam. This is so if anyone tries to break into my room, have them on camera. I have the Samsung earbuds. I'm sure you guys have seen this before. They're really amazing. I have this HP Envy 4520 printer, wireless Wi-Fi connectivity. I have the iPad 3 for my teleprompter. I don't really use it anymore, besides my teleprompter when I go in front of the camera and begin to talk. This desk, or this cabinet, is by IKEA. Let me move this trash can. In here it has all my pencils, utensils, batteries, you name it. Everything's in here organized. You can see it doesn't move. Here I have a couple more stuff: microfiber cloths, chargers, tape, stapler, ruler, random stuff in there. More random stuff. It's really just a bunch of random things that I use. There's not really anything specific to each of these cabinets. And down here are all my notebooks for school. And onto the side right here, these are my essentials for the bathroom and cleaning. Up here are all my Android collectibles and random collectibles as well. I have a wide collection. It's kind of hard to see all of them, but I use them for props in my videos. Okay, so moving on to the main desk, here we are. This standing desk is by Jarvis. It's a really nice desk. I bought it a long time ago, but they don't make it anymore, so you can't even buy it. And I still prefer the desk behind me, only because it's a lot sturdier. It's thicker as well, so it's more durable to holding stuff, and it lifts higher as well. And it's cheaper as well, a lot cheaper. So I would still prefer that desk over this one. Anyways, moving to the side here, what do we got? We got a charging station, holds on my phones, and I really enjoy this because I have a lot of devices now, and I don't want them lying around everywhere around my room. Plus they get charged, and picking up a phone and having it become dead is one of the worst things that I experience a lot, so that's nice to have. I wanted something small. So there you go, 2 ports are Quick Charge 3.0. I have a Silverstone headphone stand. It's $80, which is really pricey, but it's probably the best headphone stand you can buy right now, only because it's made out of aluminum, so that's great. Those are the Sennheiser 598 headphones. I'm not too sure about that. I'll try to see if I can find them. You got a little Android back there. You got Google Wi-Fi. I also have a Scarlett 2i4 2nd generation USB audio interface. Hook it up to my shotgun mic, so that way I can record my voice. Really nice. I have an Anker 4-port USB hub, a wireless charger for by Spigen, my bad. And right there I have my regular charger for my iPhone, which I'm currently using right now, only because the Pixel 4 keeps on dying on me throughout the day. And yeah, so iPhone 11 Pro. Anyways, that is my monitor. It's 49 inches, 2K by LG. I can open 3 windows at the same time, and they're going to be really large. I didn't want 2 monitors because there would be a line down the middle, you know, the separator, and that would just be a hassle for me, and I don't want that. I just want to look straight down the middle. This is the Varmelo mechanical keyboard. Sorry if I said that wrong. It has really nice keycaps, and it's also MX Cherry switches. So it's really nice. I just bought it. I'll link that down below. It's 80%. It's an 80% build without the numpad because I never really use the numpad. Right here we got the MX Master 2S, my favorite mouse because it's great for editing. My wallet is by Exter, pops out, really nice, smart wallet, trackable. Link that down below. I have the Fossil, wow, that was a fail. I have the Fossil Gen 4. So I wrote down a list of the things I have in this PC because I don't have them off the top of my head. It has an Asus X99-A/USB 3.1 motherboard. That case is the NZXT H440 mid-tower case. It has an NVIDIA RTX 2080, Intel i7 5820K, 32 gigabytes of RAM, 1 terabyte M.2 Samsung 970 Pro SSD, 2 terabyte hard drive, and there's a lot more in there. I'll include the PC part picker link in the description so you can check it out, the entire build. Okay, so now moving on top, we have my 100,000 subscriber YouTube plaque. Thank you guys, I appreciate it. You guys have been supporting me for a really long time, and we finally hit 400,000 subscribers on the channel, so that's awesome. Thank you, I appreciate it. Right up here, we got a basic calendar, and this is from an album by Future Islands, I believe. My bed, it's huge. It takes up 1/3 of the entire room, I guess. I don't know. Just came with the room, and I decided to not remove it. Over here, I know it's a little dark, sorry guys, but I'm just trying my best here because the sun decided to go down on me, which is a bummer, but let's just get into it. These are my Android collectibles. I have a lot. I've been collecting them for over the years, and I include them in the back of my videos in the desk because they look great with props. That's everything. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure to drop a huge thumbs up if you did. Also, if I left anything out, let me know in the comments, and I'll try my best to include it as well. So that way, I'll try to, you know, comment back and say what product that was if you see it in the video. Pretty sure I covered everything though. Anyways, thank you for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Kapow!